cool. You cut him off and he break dancing in front of him. Well, thank you. What? No. Oh, what? Wait. Whoa, whoa. Wobble, wobble. Yeah. Okay. Wobble, wobble. Zoom. Thank you. Thank you. And you're too close. Thank you. Hey everybody, welcome to Connecticut. I don't want to be. Hello. Hello. Stay in your lane. Thank you. It's not that windy out. Back off, Porsche prick. Thank you. Don't you fucking... I'm gonna run you off the friggin' road, lady. Oh yeah. You're towing a trailer. We're in Connecticut. You're not supposed to be in that lane. Thank you. What is she doing back there? Jesus Christ. Welcome to Connecticut, land of the world's longest off-ramps. Red light runner. Stop before you turn. Fuck X. You're in the red. You're a little bit close there, you know that? You're more than a little bit close there, you know that? Less than a car length. The heck. That's an exit dive. Yeah. And she's still too close. Totally unnecessary, dear. Hey, everybody. We're out of Connecticut. What the fudge is this? Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, gee! Christ's sake. Do you not see all the cars stopped ahead of you, you dumbass? Come on. Yeah, that's fine. Ah! Okay. Jesus, lady, come on. Uh-huh. Got you so far. Oh, jeez. You're a little too close, dude, you know that? The hell? Bouncy truck? That wasn't a stop. Toyota. And that was not a stop. Toyota. Jesus. Nimrod. Douchebag. I'm gonna guess you're gonna run the stop sign because you're being such a douchebag back there. Jesus Christ, lady, don't hit me. Thank you. No, you didn't stop. Gee, thanks. Did he roll a stop? He blew a stop. Good thing I was turning, huh? Gee, there's a turn over there, you dummy. How long has this been a rotary? What the hell are you doing? Grandma, Grandma, that's not how the rotary works. Turning your license, old woman.
Cambridge yesterday. She said public spaces have become very safe. She doesn't think another.
Yeah, that was too close and unnecessary. Go. Go. Bye. A little more room there. Only 30 fucking car lengths. It's not nearly enough. Hey, wait a minute. No. You have a red arrow. You shouldn't have gone. Thank you, Prius. Thank you, Prius. Thank you, Prius. Do you really need that many parking spaces? Lady. Nice cut off. Try to blink it next time. Is that exit regret? Break it up or break it down. Always gonna be around this. There's exit regret behind me. Oh, suck me. Oh well. Sorry about that. Can I yell at you for not stopping? It says blue red. And you rolled it. And you rolled another one. Whoop, boing. Stop sign, Corolla. Stop sign. There's someone coming at you. Use the... Heed the stop sign. Yard sale, junk sale. Crap. Nope. One way. You're not supposed to do that. Nope. Nope. It's a red for you too. Yep. Dumbass. Well. Okay. Yeah, it's red for you guys too, you know? It's the Jeep of Death. It's been green for half a friggin' second, dude. Calm down. After the rain. Yeah. Block the intersection, you scumbag. Corolla. You're not much better, infinite turd. And that's not really a stop, was it? No. It was definitely not a stop. Is this gonna be a stop? No. Rolling.